everyone. Today I'm going to breaking down this reel. I recently made this reel and it get a good views. So I thought why not to make a tutorial on this video. So it's a famous Sydney Sweeney video that everyone was creating and getting viral. So let's start the video. Okay, so I have opened Premiere Pro and imported all the assets. Let's see the video first. So you can see there is Sydney Sweeney and there is some text here. Also there is a ribbon. First add the solid background. There's a solid background you can see here. So let's take a color matte, bring it white. Also I can rename this color matte for BG. How I rename this? Right click, rename. So you can rename this background name. Let's bring the image first, resize. So what I will do, I will make the composition. Okay, then I will add the motion. So I just scaling and positioning properly. Also I'm adding some color corrections here. Okay, so the character is in the position. Next, there are two ribbons and it's placed behind the subject. So let's bring this layer up and take the pen tool, 25%, and just I will add this ribbon like this. So how I am doing this, let's take a point here and another next point here. Hold the left click and bend this from like this and bend like this. Now you can see the shape is not correct. So what will I do? Go to Essential Graphics, and if you can't find the Essential Graphics, you can simply go to Windows and go for Essential Graphics here. So from Essential Graphics, I don't want the fill, so let's uncheck it, and I only need the stroke, but it's outer, I need it center. Okay, let's bring it more thick like this. Change the color. Okay, bring this layer below the subject layer. Okay, so it goes behind, and then I need another one. So press the Alt key button and drag it up. Adjust the rotation. So here I get, and also adjust the position. Also this one, adjust the position. All right, now okay, I have added a bit gradient. So what will I do? I go to graphics, I select the layer, then select this and go to the stroke. From fill option, I will go for linear gradient. So both are white. Okay, so take this color and then go for a little light. All right, also I will adjust more. Again go for this one, then stroke, fill option, linear gradient. From here I will do this one and this. You can see the color code here. So something like this. Okay. So as you can see, the gradient here and the gradient is here. Now I will add the text. So for the text, I have some pre-made text animation, so I will use that. If you want this text animation, check my description, you will find the text animation. Go to Essential Graphics, go to Browse, then I will take this text animation 001, so you can use this. I'll write Sydney Sweeney. Let's keep the color this one. Let's keep the color this one. Okay. Position it as you can see here, and I will keep the text as Playfair display. Duplicate this layer, pressing Alt key, then adjust the position and write this one, made $400 million. Here I will change the font Helvetica. Resize this. Now I have to add a background like this. So for that I will take a shape layer here. Okay. This is the stroke is selected, so I don't need the stroke. I just need the fill. Bring this down. Resize this. I want a rounded corner a little bit. Now add the fill option, linear gradient. It will be the same as the ribbon. So I will pick the color from the pick whip like this and this. I can also adjust the gradient using these two handles. So let's adjust. Change this font color to white. Now I will add the motion. So you can, as you can see already, the text I have the motion, but overall I don't have. So let's add the motion first. I will add motions here on the subject. Okay, one thing I also forget, there is a grid behind the subject, so I need to add the grid as well. So take the grid behind the subject as you can see here, but there is one twist. Let's remove the subject for a bit. So first I will mask the grid, resize this, and increase the feather of the mask. So here you can see the grid. Now adjust the layers because I need the text a little bit behind. So I adjust this one. Then I only need the grid and the subject for the very first. I also adjust the timing of these two ribbons like here, and then okay, not the color matte. Now what will I do? I will add transform effect. Now I will change the position. I always take the last position at first, then the first position from where it will animate, then I will adjust that position scale. So it looks like something like this, but I need to add some motion blur. For that, I have to increase the shutter angle almost 180 and uncheck this box. Okay, so now you can see there is a slight motion blur added. Okay, now I have to smooth this motion is in and is out. Then I extend this option, clicking on this arrow. Then I will bring this handle from here to the left side and a little bit of left side for this keyframe. So you can see this is a smooth animation. Also, I have to animate these two ribbons. Okay, for that I will add linear wipe. So here is the linear wipe. Let's see the transition. Okay, now I have to bring a keyframe here and then do this for 100%. So this will look like this. I will also make this a little smooth animation. It's like this, like the previous one. Okay, same for this. So I will copy this linear wipe and just paste it here. So here is the linear wipe. Let's see how's the. So this is the motion so far. Okay, it comes so fast. So let's do some more. I just extend this keyframe for this one, also for this one. Only I have to animate this one, this shape. I have to animate this one only. For that, I will add a crop effect here, not linear wipe, crop effect. In this layer, and then take a keyframe in the right, crop and bring it to the 100. Also, I will add some edge feather like 20, so it something looks like this. Or if I don't do that, it will be very harsh. You can see it will be like this, but I need some edge feather, so something like 40, so it will like something like this. Great. Also, I will make the animation smooth. So yeah, you can see the animation. Perfect. If you like this tutorial, please hit the like button, and if you want to follow me on Instagram, so please follow my Instagram page rajmanik007. See you in the next video. Bye.